Interlude 1. Launch Day. The launch would take place in bright afternoon sunshine. Timing was everything, as usual. The Air Force had a very particular orbit in mind for this sensitive payload, and tenths of a second would mean much. Just a few miles from the former Space Shuttle Orbiter Processing Facility, where the X-37B was prepared for launch, an Atlas V rocket stood on Pad 40, amid brilliant sunshine. Heavily laden with its 5,000-kilogram payload, the rocket would need every scrap of energy to loft this fourth flight of the X-37B from a standing start to over 17,000 miles per hour and into orbit. Final checks were made, and the rocket and payload were both found to be in excellent health. Other governments, those less committed to openness or less subject to the excited clamor of spaceflight enthusiasts, would have ridiculed the idea of inviting the public to watch the launch of a military spaceplane. But there were thousands of people on the KSC complex, eagerly anticipating the departure of this noisy, powerful machine. Precisely on schedule, the Atlas V's first stage engines lit, and the remaining bonds which shackled the rocket to the Earth were cut. Rising on a blinding yellow-white tower of flame, the rocket could be seen gradually tipping over to the east, punching through a low layer of cloud, and gaining speed as it lanced heavenward.